everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1967 Pontiac GTO. This is an original 242 car, so it is a real GTO. Very nice car, guys. I actually took it in on trade from a gentleman. He got a killer 63 Bel Air from me. Unfortunately, he and I haven't been able to hook up on the info on this car. He's been traveling, I've been traveling, and Dale, unfortunately, the gentleman who works for me that put the trade together, he's on vacation this week. So, car came in. I'm going to go ahead and shoot it. I'll try to get you as much information as I can on the car, but like I say, right now I'm just trying to get this video done and get it advertised so you guys can get a look at it. Again, original 242 car, real GTO. I have ordered the PHS documentation for the car. That should be in this afternoon, but very nice car. I've driven it, Jordan's driven it. Nice tight car, runs and drives excellent, good solid straight body. It is an original Regimental red car, factory Parchment interior. And like I say, really nice. Chrome and stainless is nice. You can definitely tell this is a recent restoration. I mean, very, very nice car. A little, no, that's just a little rubber or something, guys. It's coming off. Like I say, chrome and stainless is nice. Car really hits the road good. I love that 67 grille. Again, factory Regimental red. You can see that dash, and there's nice. There's really not much that you can really nitpick on this car, guys. It's a nice car. Final top's in great shape. My boys missed a little dust there. Glass is nice. Really good car, good quality car, guys. Look how nice that trim is. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Correct GTO rear tips. It's got Cooper Cobras all the way around it. It's got the correct Rally 2s with the PNB caps and lugs. Like I say, I drove the car, man. Nice and tight, really hits the road good. You get, you know, the PMDs could be detailed a little bit on there. It's got the stock drum brakes. It is a YS connotation, which I believe could be correct for 67, and it's got the 670 heads. When I get the PHS, I'll be able to tell you if it's the correct engine. Stock 4-barrel, stock intake, again 670 heads, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, manual drum brakes, does have the 400 turborhydramatic trans in it. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers. It's got an HEI distributor in it. Nice car. I think I said 400 automatic trans. Got a little cam to it. Again, we talked for a little bit. The guy was on the road. He's got multiple cars, so he's kind of like me, man. I understand how it is. It's hard to remember stuff, but he said he thinks he's got some stuff on the engine. I know it's got a little mild cam in it, nothing crazy, but definitely sounds good. pitting there in that 8-pillar chrome, but pretty doggone nice. Mirror's really nice. That's had to been replaced. Definitely new door handles. If my memory serves me correct, this is supposed to be black right here. I think somebody's painted it white, but I believe it's supposed to be black. Look how nice the bottoms of those doors are. I tell you what, I crawled all over the car. Good, clean car. It's clean underneath. I've ordered the GTO mats for it. Those will go with it. I've had actually a couple of emails. Sorry, guys. You guys got a little dirt in there. I get my carpets from ACC. Don is the guy I order them all from. Good dude. Bucket seats, console. You can definitely tell they've redone those seats. Parchment interior, that's factory. Tilt column, stock steering wheel. His and hers dual gauge shifter. There's a little cottonwood or something that's gotten in there, guys. Headliner's nice. Dash is really nice. Look at the wood grain. Factory tach and gauge card showing 56,128. I'd almost bet you that's the original miles, guys. Aftermarket AM FM radio. He's also put the aftermarket kick pads in it. Again, his and hers dual gauge shifter. Tilt columns. Got one little brake in your steering wheel there. It's an H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. 10 bolt. I believe it's a 323 safety track. Does have a rear sway bar. Like you say, hits the road good. Little crack right there in your paint. Factory jack with the spare. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Oh, there's a CD player. That's what that little thing is on the console. If you don't like it, it's removable. You can take it right out. Nice car. Like I say, nice and clean underneath. Real good car. Yeah, like I say, I'm almost 100% sure, man. I'm 95% sure that's supposed to be black. Sorry, a little dust there. Seats are nice. Look how nice the dash is. Yeah, this is not stuck or anything like that. Comes right off. Dual gauge shifter. About the same thing. Nice little cam to it, nothing crazy. There's got a good sound. Love that front end in 67. Got another 65 GTO on the way. Got a 66 GTO on the way. Tach works. Really not much but a fuel gauge in there. Yeah, that's really it. Everything else is on lights. Nice sounding cam. Oh, we got a light bulb out. Backup lights work. Like I said, we'll check that light. Boy, car's got nice sound. Blower motor works. You can hear that. Radio.
It works.
Oh, it works on that. Oh. Oh. So you'll have to figure that out. I can't say we got a degree in radios. I am not a radio guy. Have to check that front blinker. All right, guys. Remember, you can always keep track of us on our website, also our social media, our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Jordy stalling stuff here. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Well, that's a pretty car, guys.